Keep learning and exploring with Wonder Kids.
Synonym quiz for kids. Which word is a synonym for big? Large. What is another word for fast? Quick. Which word means the same as cold? Chilly. What is a synonym for tiny? Small. What is another word for hard? Difficult. Pick another word for look. See. Which word means the same as simple? Easy. What is another word for scared? Afraid. What is a synonym for yell? Shout. What is a synonym for funny? Silly.
Hooray! Thanks for watching! If you had fun, tap the like button. And subscribe for more adventures.